This is an overview of all the filters I use on my 5-stage reverse osmosis RO under the sink system. Your system could be a little bit different, so let's begin. So first, for the first pre-filter, I use a 10 micron by Filtrete. It's a string wound filter. They're basically 4.25 on Amazon for 2. Then I use a melt blown 5 micron filter, and typically what I've seen some systems use for the second stage is a carbon filter, like a granule. They call them GAC carbon filters. My feed water is my house RO water, so I'm coming in with pretty clean water already. Therefore, I don't really need a GAC filter. I'm just using another sediment filter. My third stage is, however, a carbon filter. This is a carbon block filter. I actually bought a bunch of these again on Amazon because it was cheaper. It came out to be about $3.20 versus typically you can pick one up for $8.50 to $6, and I'll have all these in the description below. And then what I am missing is the actual RO membrane, and typically you replace that every 2 to 3 years, so that's why I don't have it in this video. But and then after the RO, that would be in the fourth stage, you have an inline carbon filter, which looks like this. There's some plugs, but typically it's an FNPT fitting in here. So now, depending on your water quality and the type of water you're feeding into the RO, whether it's city water or well water, that will determine how frequently you want to change these. So for example, if you're on well water, I would say replace it every 3 months probably. Especially carbon is what helps you with the smell and the odor. So if you noticed some smell, I would replace this, as well as this carbon helps. So typically you'd replace this one once a year, but if you see that you need to frequently replace these, maybe start replacing this a little sooner. But if you're on city water or you have a house RO system, you could replace it probably once every 6 months or so. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to watch the installation video. Thank you.